Hello friends, today I am going to teach you regarding while loop. As you are aware that any loop is used to execute the statement repeatedly as long as the condition is true. As you are aware, in this condition I am just going to show you some program by using while loop. Here I just want to show you from 1 to 10 this program will display from 1 to 10. So for that you have to write there program to display from 1 to 10. Here I have initialized the value of I is equal to 1 and it will go till 10 less than equal to 10 print I, and I plus is equal to 1 it means I is equal to I plus 1. Now I am going to execute it once. Yes, this is the output. So please write down in your copy also so that it will be remembered. Now suppose if you want to show any table, suppose if you want to display the table of program to display the table of 2. Now you have to write there only multiplication 2. Okay, now execute it once. Okay, sorry, due to uh, disturbance, I'm just going to stop it. Later on I will interact with you. Thank you.